Here we are, a million stars. Hi guys, welcome. I'm Petite Sue Divinity from RPGhair.com. For this tutorial today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to melt that lace. Yes, melt as in, make the lace front wig look more realistic, more lay, very natural looking, slayed. By the way, the method that we're going to be using today to slay or lace is the ball cap method. And if you've never tried this before, if you've never seen this before, that's what I'm here for. We're going to just jump on into the video right now. First of all, you're going to need a stocking cap. We're going to need our adhesive. So for today's adhesive, I'm using my Got To Be freezing spray, which is this right here. I usually use a Got To Be gel, but since lately I've been just leaning more to the freezing spray just because it dries down way quicker. It's very convenient, and the hold is extremely strong. And of course, you will definitely need your wig. Now, this is not the first time I'm wearing this wig. I am in love with this wig. This is the Pre-Plucked 360 Lace Wig, tight curly Indian Remy hair, and it's the number LFW58. First, of course, my hair is braided. This is how it's looking. It's not fresh braids. I will need to get it redone soon. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just kind of go ahead and put the wig cap over my head. So this one, I usually have ones that match in with my skin tone perfectly, but I ran out of those. But this will work out just fine, just the same. So I pull this all the way down. Usually what I have to do is cut out the ear portion because it makes the sideburn area lays way flatter as opposed to if I didn't do that. So I get a scissors and I kind of just make a tiny hole and put my ear in there. So now this portion can lay really flat. What I go ahead and do is get my freezing spray. I'll apply the spray right around the edges. So I spray and tap it because it has a way to kind of run. So once I spray, I kind of tap it in. You kind of just want to spray the portion to where you're going to lay the front of the wig. So after I have that spray, literally what you need to move on to do is dry the area so that it sticks. So a very important tool that you need as well for this process is a blow dryer. And you want to ensure that you put it on cool air, never hot air, guys, because heat will not even do what you want it to do. It'll just remove everything. Because, okay, with this, it's not, once you sweat or water touches it, then it loosens. Okay, so it's really easy to remove actually. It's not glue, not at all. And this will take like 5 minutes. Believe me, dries so quickly. It's like completely dry, yes. And as you can see, this part already look melted into the skin. What I get is a scissors, and I'm gonna start cutting away the excess portion that I don't want at the front. So you want to take your time because you do not want to cut any of your real hair. I'm actually going to use a razor blade to make it kind of easier. Alright, now that I'm all done with cutting away the excess, this is how it's looking. So you see I got it really close. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is apply another layer, but I'm not gonna do the entire area all at once. So I'm gonna take my wig up, and this, oh gosh, look at those curls. It's really juicy and gorgeous. All I did for this, I just kind of mixed up some just a bit of conditioner in some water, and I got it wet and brushed it out. Just go ahead and plop that on like so. You guys see how white this is, right? So what I'm gonna do before I put it forward is I'm gonna get my face powder and I'm just gonna dab it onto the cap, so it looks more skin-like and kind of match my natural skin tone better. I'm gonna pull back my wig forward and see how everything is looking. What I'm gonna do is take one side at a time and start securing it to my edges. So I take my spray again and just put the wig down immediately over it, just like that. So I'm gonna take the back of this like rat tail comb to just further push it in. What I'm gonna do to just speed up this whole drying process is use my dryer again. So this really speeds it up and make it even easier to apply. I'm all done securing the wig, and just look at this goodness. It looks so melted. It looks like it's going for my skin, right? I know, for my scalp. Whenever I do this method, trust me, I do this method when I don't necessarily want to take off my wig every night. So this method helps me to keep the wig on for like at least like up to like 3 days, for me at least. And it all depends on how much you sweat. It depends on your daily activities, like if you work out and stuff. So like if you sweat really hard, then it's gonna come off quicker than you'd like. But if you're going out for a chill weekend, you know, a chill vacay, you're not gonna get it wet, like it's perfect, you know. Look at that. And this is the lace on this wig is beautiful. Yes, it came bleached, and it's the new and improved lace from RPGhair.com. Okay guys, so like the lace looks so realistic. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it guys, I absolutely love it. If you guys notice, I secured this wig without having to do any baby hairs, really. Like, isn't that like bomb? So now that I'm done with that, I kind of just want to focus on the hair, so I'm just gonna proceed to just brushing down back the top portion, because I love when my hair looks really laid and it looks so pretty. Look at that, look at that bones. It's gorgeous. So that's how I melt my lace and make it look slayed and very realistic. I really hope this video helped you guys out. If it was, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Yes, all the specifications to this gorgeous wig will be down below in the description box, so go ahead, check that out. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, the link will be there, and if you are looking for some dollars off, then you can go ahead and use my discount codes Sue15 or Petite10. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!